Hello, this video is on the MediaWorks Channels tab and brought to you by Nelson Systems Incorporated. I am using an Eventide Nextlog DX model recorder using software version 2023.5. The Channels tab shows the channel name, channel number, the ability to live monitor if that user has permissions to live monitor, as well as the current channel status. The channel name is assigned in the configuration manager for each channel. The channel number is the number assigned to that resource in the recorder. The live monitor column allows the user to live monitor the audio on that channel. Simply left click the gray speaker icon to begin monitoring. Once the connection has been made, the speaker icon will turn green and the audio will begin to play back. I'll demonstrate that now.
Can you determine at all if he's got any kind of breathing going on, or I'm looking.
You can also live monitor multiple channels at the same time by continuing to left click the gray speaker icons. To stop live monitoring, simply left click the green speaker icon. It'll turn gray and disconnect from the channel. At the bottom of the page, there is a volume slider that allows you to adjust your MediaWorks playback volume independently from your Windows volume. If you need to reset the volume level to 100%, you can simply left click the percentage number and it will reset to 100%. Thank you. That is the end of this video.